సో ఇట్స్ అ ఫీమేల్ ఓరియంటెడ్, ఫీమేల్స్ ఉంటారు ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళకి హస్బెండ్స్ కింద చేసే వాళ్ళు కూడా అందరూ లైక్ టు ప్రొజెక్ట్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫీమేల్ బడీ డ్రామా అని నేను చెప్పను, కాకపోతే ఆడవాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ఉంటారు మెయిన్ లీడ్స్. అవును, లుక్స్ డిఫరెంట్, ఈ విషయం ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎలివేటెడ్ in the movie. So the very next month we are going for the shoot.
Confused even before he starts the film. It's difficult for a man to handle one woman in his life. He's got 7 of us. This movie is called Kitty Party. But the essence of this movie and releasing it so close to Women's Day is women have got their own lives, and it's not just about having fun. It's about being together, helping one another, moving forward in life, growing together, helping each other move to better opportunities, better lifestyle, and basically enjoying being a woman. So Kitty Party is about strengthening women, and I'm so happy that Pavanji, being a man, has seen the film from a woman's perspective, and there's a lot of homework that he has done. I would say this is very close to Desperate Housewives. No. I would say, yeah. Desperate Housewives, Sex and the City. It's a combination of everything, and it's a combination of every woman that you have known in your life, be it your mother, your sister, your daughter, your girlfriend, all of them. You will see one of each of those women in each of us over here. So you can pick and choose which one you like. Thank you.
Bhagyashree Garu has said everything that she needs to say about the movie, and Pavanji has introduced the movie to you. All I have to say is that in an industry that focuses only on hero, you tell somebody I've signed a movie, they say hero garu yaar. Yeah, and I am really grateful to our producer Gupta ji and our director Pavan. He's so young, but he's so sensitive. He's like a perfect man to celebrate Women's Day with, because they really have the courage to make a movie with only women. So, and because they are not making this movie for fun, they have to do business. This movie has to do commercial business, and they have the faith and the courage to start a film like that. And with actors like us, Suman, Bhagyashree, myself, all of us are not 16-year-old running around the trees. So he's made us the main leads of the film. So that, thank you so much for having that faith and giving us that opportunity. We always say in our interview that look at Meryl Streep or Michelle Pfeiffer, or we give Hollywood examples that why they do such amazing roles even as they are aging, and why can't we do that? I'm working again, like Garuji said that comeback film. I don't like comebacks and all, but you know, I've been doing movies for the last 2-3 years. I'm always playing somebody's mother, and even in this I'm the mother of this lovely beautiful Pooja here. But that's not the point. The point is, I feel like I'm one of the main in the film, and that makes me feel very happy after so many years to feel that feeling. So I'm so grateful to the people responsible, and I'm extremely happy to be joining this stage with all my beautiful friends. Suman, Bhagyashree, they're all my childhood friends, and we are now standing on the same stage as actors together. And it's Women's Day, and it's a women's movie. We are it's not about challenging men or anything like that, but we feel amazing like actors. We all have amazing roles. There is, you know, somebody asked me, who is the actress and who, we are all the same. You know, we are all playing our roles, and we are all doing exactly what we want to do, like something like Desperate Housewives. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, it's an amazing moment for me, and I'm sure my fellow actors will feel like that. And I feel so grateful to Pavan and Gupta ji. So, and very nice to see you all again. Thank you. Already చెప్పేశారు మొత్తం అన్ని ఫిల్మ్ గురించి. But Nizanga, I think getting an opportunity like this when I'm sharing the stage with, you know, all female actresses is such a one-of-a-kind experience. Like Madhu garu said right now, film sign cheste shooting ki veltanante hero evaru ide maximum vallu adugtaru. But this time I was so very happy and excited to say that no, this time we don't have hero per se. We have 6 women that will be sharing the screen space, and it's all about women. And here I'd like to mention that Pavan Kante, there couldn't have been a better director for a movie like this. Also the fact being, like Madhu garu said, commercially we have to do well. But ekkada ante last 2 days we've been doing photo shoots and today is the press meet. I have seen that there's been no compromise whatsoever in terms of investing in the making of the film. They are leaving no stone unturned. And I think Pavan has got a great support when it comes to the producer Gupta garu. Chala support chesi for a young talent to encourage and give him that kind of a platform where he can do what he wants is a big thing in itself. And that also with all women. So great. And I think Pavan is so specific about every single thing, detailing anta. And Shankar garu tarvata, I think it's only Pavan that I have seen being so particular about the looks, about how the character should look, about how the photo shoot of each character should be like, what is the look in the movie. So much studying, so much detailing I have never ever gone through. Today we are going to be doing workshops. And in career, I think for the first time I'm going to be doing a workshop for a movie. That itself is something, I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, nijanga, one of a kind experience, so excited. Iddaru heroine untene chala goruvalu avutayi. Imagine we are like 6-7 of us and we are having a ball already. We all are like laughing our lungs out with every single moment that's passing, and I think we're going to have great fun shooting for the film. So yeah, looking forward to starting it, and I'm really looking forward to it doing well when it gets done. Meanwhile, we will have a couple of press meets again. So see you soon. Hyderabad. After 20 long years, I am so happy. I always say Hyderabad is my first love. Of course, Delhi Sunday is still in my heart, and I think in your hearts too. But I'm so happy. Thank you, Pavan. Thank you, Gupta ji, for considering me for this film. And I'm so happy that I'm working with all my friends. And it was such a comfort feeling. I mean, first day we had some photo shoot yesterday, and we all had so much fun and laughter. So it was really nice. And the best thing is that we have very nice, young, dynamic director. He's got a great vision, and he's done so much work, and it was so good to see that. And but of course, I'm so looking forward for this film. I'm so happy that I'm back in Hyderabad, and I'm back in shooting for a lovely Telugu film, and got such good memories of my old films. And I'm going to have a great time with all my friends, and please support us. Please, because love us, support us. We need that blessing from all of you. So please bless us, and thank you so much for coming over.
మాట్లాడాలంటే వీళ్ళందరూ సినిమా గురించి పూర్తిగా చెప్పేశారు. ఇది నిజంగానే ఒక పార్టీలా ఉంటుంది. చక్కగా కూర్చుని హాయిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసే ఒక 3 గంటల సినిమా అవుతుంది. మీ అందరికీ ఖచ్చితంగా నచ్చుతుంది. సో ఒక అమ్మాయి జీవితంలో పార్టీలు, సరదాలు, ఫన్ ఒక స్టేజ్ తర్వాత అయిపోయాక, బాధ్యతలు పెరిగాక, వాటి నుండి మళ్ళీ ఒక టీనేజ్ లోకి వచ్చే స్టోరీ ఎంత గమ్మత్తుగా ఉంటుందో, అక్కడ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎంత బాగుంటారో, దీనికి సంబంధించిన కథంతా కూడా నడుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇది కేవలం ఒక చిన్న ఇసుక రవ్వంతా, ఇంకా సినిమా చాలా ఉంది. అది ఇప్పుడు మేము రివీల్ చేయదలుచుకోలేదు, బికాజ్ ఇంకా చాలా టైం ఉంది అవన్నీ చెప్పడానికి. మరి ఇంతమందితో కలిసి ఇందులో నేను కూడా ఒక భాగం వహించి ఒక మంచి క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ధైర్యానికి కొంచెమైనా అడ్డు అడుగు ఉండాలి. మా పవన్ గారు చాలా పెద్ద స్టెప్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఒక్కసారిగా ఇంతమంది ఆడవాళ్ళని ఒక సినిమాలో పెట్టి, నాకు తెలిసి ఆయనకి జీవితంలో చాలా ధైర్యం కలగాలని, ఇంకా ముందుకు నడవడానికి దేవుడు మంచి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇవ్వాలని, ఏ అడ్డంకులు రాకుండా ఈ సినిమా పూర్తిగా హాయిగా పూర్తి అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే మా ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గారికి ఈ సినిమా మంచి పేరుతో పాటు మంచి డబ్బుల్ని కూడా తెచ్చి పెట్టాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. నాతో పాటు కలిసి పనిచేస్తున్న మా బ్యూటిఫుల్ హీరోయిన్స్ అందరికీ మరొకసారి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ విచ్చేసిన ప్రెస్ మిత్రులందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇలాగే మీరు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే, ప్రేమిస్తూ ఉంటే, మమ్మల్ని ఆదరిస్తూ ఉంటే ఇంకా ఇంకా మంచి సినిమాలు మీకు అందించడానికి మేము ప్రతి క్షణం ప్రయత్నిస్తూనే ఉంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
To be back in Hyderabad after so many years. I've done about 3 Telugu movies in the past, and I've always wanted to work more here because I love the scripts, I love the people, I love the language. So I must thank first the director Pavan for giving me this opportunity to be back, and of course Gupta sir, the producer. And what really so exciting is that I've always told my friends like Madhu, Bhagya and Dipti and all, whenever I meet them in Bombay, that we should all work together. So this is a great opportunity for me to be with my friends. So I'm very happy about that. And we have a great script. So I'd like to say that the hero of the film is the script. We have a great script. And I'm looking forward to be working in this movie and start shooting and have a great time. And like everybody said, we need all the support you can give us and all the love and all the blessings. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Like I'm going to be sharing the stage and the screen with all these experienced lovely ladies, and I was a little scared, but the moment I stepped in, the moment I was on floor, they have made me so comfortable. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Coming to the film, Chitty Party, the name itself says it all. నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను, ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను తనతో స్క్రీన్ స్పేస్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంకా పవన్ గారు గురించి మాట్లాడితే హీ ఈస్ వన్ అమేజింగ్ పర్సన్. కొంచెం తెలుగు ట్రెడిషన్ నుంచి బయటికి వచ్చి ఒక కొత్త కాన్సెప్ట్ బయటికి తీసుకురావడానికి హిస్ గాట్ గట్స్, and also getting all the female. I mean, I'm so happy first of all that for the first time in my career I have not seen a hero sitting in the center. And it's all female, so it's like women power. And I hope and I promise to Gupta sir that we'll make a kick-ass film and we'll make you proud. I hope the business happens, and for that we need the support from the media, from the press, and also from the audience. So I hope we give a good film to you guys.